In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus D, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So what you want to do is hold volume down and power key simultaneously, and hold them for about a second till you see a little animation of a screen like this. And as you can see, there's a screenshot, and it automatically goes to your photo library. So find wherever you have the photo library, and if you're using Google one, then it will be, as you can see, albums, and you will have an album of screenshots. So you can find it right here, and it's this image, as you can see. And if you're using some kind of other app, it might just be straight on whatever all the other photos are, so as the newest one on the top. But because it's Google, so automatically categorizes it as a screenshot. So that's how you take a screenshot, and mind you that this is not, it doesn't only apply to this phone, it actually works with many other Androids, or probably all of them. So you can use it on other ones as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.